Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a straightforward tutorial on how to sign out of Ubisoft on your Xbox in 2025. Whether you're switching accounts, troubleshooting issues, or just wanting a clean slate, this guide is perfect for you. Let's dive right in. First, make sure your Xbox console is turned on and you're at the home screen. Open the Ubisoft Connect app, which is the central hub for all your Ubisoft games and services. If you're already in a game, pause it and exit to the dashboard for easier access. Once the Ubisoft Connect app is launched, look for your profile icon, usually in the top right corner of the screen. Select it to open your account options. In the menu that appears, scroll down until you find the Sign Out or Log Out button. Go ahead and select that. You might see a confirmation prompt asking if you're sure you want to sign out. Just confirm it, and you'll be logged out of your Ubisoft account. That's all there is to it. Your game progress is safely stored in the cloud, so no worries about losing data. If you run into any hiccups, like the sign out option not appearing, try restarting your Xbox or checking for updates to the Ubisoft app in your console's software. This ensures everything is up to date for 2025 compatibility. And there you have it, a quick and easy way to manage your Ubisoft account on Xbox. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more tech tips, and let me know in the comments if you have any other questions. See you in the next one.